Grab a bottle of Coca-Cola. Measure out about a teaspoon of salt, just like this, and pour it into the bottle. Now, close the cap tightly and give it a good shake. Keep watching closely because this trick is incredibly useful, and you'll see why in just a moment. Next, open the bottle carefully and transfer this salted Coca-Cola into a container. Now, add a tablespoon of salt into the container with the Coca-Cola and stir it a little. You've probably never seen a cleaning trick like this online. This one will surprise you for sure. Next, take any detergent of your choice. You'll need about 200 milliliters. Pour it back into that empty Coca-Cola bottle. And then add it to the container with the Coca-Cola mixture. After trying this tip, I never buy the store version anymore. Add water up to about halfway in the Coca-Cola bottle, give it a quick shake, and pour it into the mixture with the Coca-Cola and detergent. Now mix everything together thoroughly. I guarantee you'll be impressed by the results of this mixture. Detergent isn't only for washing clothes. It works wonders in this mix, helping lift even the most stubborn grease and grime with ease. We'll need an empty Coca-Cola bottle for our next step. But if you have any other clean bottle, that'll work too. Use a funnel to pour the entire mixture into the bottle. And guess what? It's ready, just like that. If you're like me, you know the struggle of scrubbing greasy pots and pans. Not only is it time-consuming, but most of the products we buy are expensive and full of chemicals. I've got this pot with stubborn, stuck-on grease, and we're going to put our mix to the test. Just pour a little of this mixture onto a sponge and rub it well onto the surface. We've made an incredible aluminum cleaner. This combination of Coca-Cola, salt, and detergent works together to dissolve dirt and grime, restoring your pots and pans to their shiny best. You can use it on all kinds of cookware, especially aluminum ones, and it'll leave them gleaming. After applying the mixture, we'll rub it gently with the sponge until the grease and burnt particles start leaving the pot surface. After that, we'll rinse with enough water. Just look how shiny and clean it is now. Try it at home and thank me later.